So will the price of Bitcoin finally break out of this resistance? Will the price of Bitcoin finally overturn this bearish momentum into bullish momentum and head towards our next price objective around 124,000, or what to expect next? Because if we look at the price action of Bitcoin at the moment, you can see things are looking very interesting. So before I start talking about it, please do me a favor and destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Now let's start this with a Bitcoin dominance chart, because if we look at the Bitcoin dominance in a weekly time frame, the dominance of Bitcoin could be taking control again. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. After getting attracted towards this horizontal trend line, which previously acted as support, acted as resistance, we saw a really nice bounce along with the support from this 50 exponential 50 weekly moving average. Because in the past price action, you can see during this rally, whenever the dominance got attracted around this 50 weekly moving average, we had a really nice bounce. So same thing along with the horizontal trend line is holding us. So if Bitcoin dominance manages to remain over 60-61%, then I think Bitcoin will dominate the market one more time and head towards the next area of confluence, which sits around 70-71%. Yes, guys, if Bitcoin dominance manages to remain over 60-61%, then for the upcoming days, the Bitcoin dominance will take control over the market and head towards the next area of confluence around 70-71%. But what if it fails? I mean, yes, Bitcoin, despite Bitcoin looking bullish, even altcoins are looking bullish. So that's why if Bitcoin dominance takes some hit and also fails to hold its ground around this key trend line, then we have said in the worst case the dominance could come back around 50-55%, but that will be the worst case, and then a rally in this manner. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that if Bitcoin dominance holds its ground around 60-61%, then I personally think Bitcoin will show a very bullish move for the upcoming days compared to the altcoins. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. I have been showing you this bullish continuation pattern for Bitcoin lining up since a couple of days. But despite this being a bullish continuation, I showed you that we must overcome the resistance around this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, and only after that we can see this will be turning into a bullish continuation in this manner, because descending broadening wedge is a bullish continuation pattern. So only thing what is holding us at the moment is this 0.5.618 Fibonacci line around $116,000. Yes, guys, if the price of Bitcoin manages to break out of this key line of resistance, which is holding us in between 0.5.618 Fibonacci line, you can see we are expecting the upcoming days for Bitcoin to turn very bullish. Bullish because parallelly Bitcoin will be breaking out from this resistance. I mean, Williams alligator indicator resistance, because this indicator acts as support during uptrend. You can see here this Williams alligator indicator acts as support during uptrend and acts as a resistance during downtrend. So to avoid a bearish continuation, what must we do in the medium short term? We must break out of this 116,000 resistance line, because breaking out of that means we are expecting the upcoming days for Bitcoin to be very bullish. Bullish because parallelly breaking out of this 116,000 resistance means Bitcoin will also find support above this CPR trend line for the month of August. And this trend line is very important, because once we flip 116,000 into proper support, the next area of confluence according to our leading indicator sits around $124,000. Yes, you heard that correctly, guys. Bitcoin could show a move towards this $124,000 if we find proper support above 116,000 in the medium short term, because we know this trend line, right? Once this key trend line around 116,000 gets broken, you can see we parallelly will also be following this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern type of formation. And 1, 2, 3 usually looks like this. I mean, if you look on the right hand side, you can see 1 is an impulsive wave, 2 is a corrective wave, and this move is our wave 3, which is going to be the longest one. So what does this points out? If we manage to break out of this 116,000 resistance or neckline, then we are expecting the upcoming days for Bitcoin to look somehow like this. I mean, this being our bullish wave 3, just like in this example. Or if you simply look at this in a bit different way, I mean, if you want to look at this using another example, right, this 1 2 3 reversal, it will look somehow like this. And you can see breaking out of this 0.2 means it will be giving us another buying opportunity. Yes, this is known as 1 2 3 reversal pattern or ABC reversal pattern. So that's why, guys, once this 116,000 resistance gets broken, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin after that to turn very, very bullish. Bullish because Bitcoin will also start falling, another bullish continuation pattern known as falling channel breakout. Yes, guys, and if this continuation continues, you can see according to this price action, 125,000 will be on the line. And we just found out this 124 is our first bullish target according to our leading indicator. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that if Bitcoin breaks out of this 116,000, flips it into proper support, then we are expecting upcoming days for Bitcoin to be very, very bullish, and price also to follow this descending broadening wedge in a daily time frame with a very, very bullish price objective. And parallelly, breaking out of this 116,000 means we are also going to invalidate this bump and run reversal for Bitcoin. Yes, guys, if Bitcoin flips 116,000 into proper support, then I'm actually expecting a reversal which might look somehow like this. So for all this bullish continuation pattern to play out, first we need a proper support above 116,000, because by doing that, you can see we are going to invalidate some bearish continuation pattern which is still lining up for Bitcoin. So in case of doubt, simply zoom out, because in a bigger picture, a pullback, as I've been very clear with you, will be giving us a great buying opportunity. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.